CultDao is up in volume again, 34% up in last 24 hours. We have new people coming in. Market cap is still 9 figures at 105 mil, down 19% for the day. But I do believe that might be a good buying opportunity. We'll check the chart. I'll show you a few things, new wells. They're buying in the community sentiment. I want to start with just the chart and then what you guys think, what you guys voted for as of late on the post. Let me just load up the chart real quick. And we have some issues. We've got some good things. We're pretty much retracing perfectly, which is not good within the downtrend. But we expected that. We expected that we would have this drop. I made a video on it. But what my hope is that we hold the 2000 area right here and just bounce above the 200 EMA. If we print lower, that would not be good because we might go down to this rate, which is 3 times cheaper than right now. So it's very important we hold this area and then just bump above the downtrend right here. That's very, very important. The good news is we have new people coming in. So 15 hours ago, James Crypto Guru bought more CULT. I'm DCAing the cost averaging into this project every time it drops. Well, it was hard because so far it just pumped. So it was hard to DCA. Bought some more CULT, and then you have a big legal disclaimer, 10 times bigger than the actual message. Who should read the CULT manifesto? So that was how do you say that? A marketing gimmick to get people to tag people, which is great. I like the fact that CultDao is a true DAO. It really gives power to the people. Look at this. You have the entire movie NFT, success rate, total cast votes 100% for the inverse finance and allocation. That was really interesting. 100%. Who's going to be joining the Manuzu in Amsterdam? Make sure to talk about CULT when you see Vitalik Buterin. Well, imagine him shouting us out. Not very likely, but who knows. Ignore the noise and read the CULT manifesto. That's what they're saying. But why won't CULT devs do something? Yeah, that's interesting. That's interesting. I am Brutes. Who is that? Football player. Well, if we go to the CULT in 30 days, it's probably going to be a beautiful sight to witness. We go to the year to date. Look at the pump. Look at the pump. That's insane. What is, do we have anything here? 6 hours ago. Well, that was anticlimactic. Well, we expected that. Anybody here having issues cashing out? What do you mean cashing out? There's no liquidity or? Let's just click here. MetaMask or any other cashing out from where? Platform? There's just a random person. Let me just figure this out. So yeah, the whole index is down. It's red day. We have some cryptocurrencies that are performing well, like Satan, it's blowing up, Voltino blowing up. So some cryptocurrencies are actually doing really well during red markets. They are hedged. CULT, I believe, is very tied to Ethereum more than other currencies. Ethereum is down 2%. CULT is down a little bit more, I think. In the last 24 hours, it is down 20%. Which is very a serious amount of money. Still up a lot. It depends on your entry point. We've started talking about it a lot pretty much here. So you're probably still up 2x if you didn't take any profits, which I don't know why you wouldn't. You could have taken 3-4x profits right here, and now you might be staying with just your profits or a small portion of your profits, 50% of your profits, and still have a better position than you would have had just buying right now or just holding from right here. And yeah, I'm all about taking profits along the way. I believe in profits, but I like to take profits. Otherwise, what's the point? Trending searches. CultDao is definitely trending, by the way. We are number 3 after GMT, which is massive, right? By the way, a lot of whales bought it lately from what I've seen on whale stats. So it would be hard to beat them. When we beat them, everyone will know about us, but we're still trending really well, I would say, for the situation. I want to see what are the latest news. Do we have anything interesting from Bitcoin? Because again, it's Monday. News are coming slowly. I'm covering every single important news. By the way, if you're subscribed, you would know that, so that's really good. Ripple. Oh yeah. This was the Ripple SEC lawsuit. I want to cover that. I saw that on Twitter earlier in this morning. Ripple CEO SEC lawsuit over Ripple has gone exceedingly well. I don't know if it is over. From what I read on Twitter, let's see. The CEO of Ripple says the lawsuit brought by the U.S. Securities by the SEC against him and his company has gone exceedingly well. He stressed, yeah, this was the tweet. He stressed the case is important not just for Ripple, of course it is. Ripple CEO Brett Garlinghouse, and it started in 2020. It started in 2020 December, pretty much. There was when the big drop in Ethereum, in Ripple happened. So it's been a year and a half. The US Securities Exchange sued Ripple. Garlinghouse co-founder Chris Warsten in December 2020. Here it is, yeah. Over the sale of Ripple, which the securities watchdog said is an unregistered security offering. Ripple has disputed the SEC finding. The lawsuit has gone exceedingly well. It began 15 months ago. However, he noted that the wheels of justice move slowly. Yeah, and they're actually countersuing some people as well. So they're not being that defensive, which is really good for the crypto market to fight back. Thank you, Kevin Helms, by the way, for this blog post. If you determine XRP as a security of Ripple, we have to know every person that owns Ripple. That's an SEC requirement. You have to know of your shareholders. Not possible. Yeah, you don't know people. It's anonymous. It's not it's not. No matter, I don't know. The SEC, that was just a move against crypto in general because it was outperforming the market a lot back in December. And then what followed in January, February, March, April in 2021 was an even bigger hit for the conventional financial system. And that's a bigger fight, a fight against crypto, against freedom, in my opinion as well. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is my passion, creating YouTube videos. I spend over 12 hours a day bringing you up to date with all the latest news. If you appreciate it, all you have to do is click the subscribe button. If you like the video, you can click the like button. If not, that is okay. I'm happy that you spent the last 8 minutes with me. I'm happy to bring you up to date with the news. See you next video. This video is no financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet. Bye.